Next, we have entry number 27, Pili National High School, Pawili Pili, Camarines Sur, Troop Commander and Staff. Troop Commander, Brent Carl Pinolio. Troop S1, Rachel Ann Cruz. Troop S2, Chris Ann Sandagon. Troop S3, Dania Marie Ranara. Troop S4, Hans Aldrich Sabularse. Major Leader, Rian Gisela Hermoso Petesa. DBC Band Leader, Kim Bona. CTP Company Commander, Kenji Beatriz. CTP Company XO, Chadi Carl Ibo. First Platoon Leader, RJ Martinez. Second Platoon Leader, Irish May Bona. School Head, Irma D. Escora. PhD, CTP MAPEH Facilitator, Francis Abanyo. Majorettes Coordinator, Efren Bogayan Jr. DBC DLC Director, Gerald Royo. DBC DLC Trainer, Mark Guinabilado. Major Trainer, Mark Jason U. Canavales. Assistant Major Coordinator, Odessa D. Domago. Entry number 27, Pili National High School, Pawili Pili, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 27, Pili National High School, Pawili Pili, Camarines Sur.